Welcome to Sipoon Old Church, where the echoes of the past whisper tales of valor and sacrifice. Among these hallowed grounds rest the brave souls who stood tall in the face of adversity. In the heart of Sipoo, Finland, stands the Old Church, a medieval marvel steeped in history. Built in the late 15th or early 16th century, its weathered stones and ancient timbers whisper tales of faith and resilience through the ages. Finland's independence war secured its sovereignty. In the Winter War, it defended against Soviet invasion with grit. The Continuation War saw Finland safeguard its freedom, forging a legacy of resilience. The new church of Sipoo, known as Uusi Sipoon Kirkko in Finnish, stands as a symbol of modernity and community in the tranquil landscapes of Sipoo, Finland. With its contemporary architecture and serene surroundings, the new church provides a place of solace, reflection, and worship for locals and visitors alike. From the tumultuous era of the Independence War to the trials of the Continuation War, and amidst the hardships of the Winter War, these revered grounds stand as silent witnesses to Finland's enduring passage through history. As we bid farewell, may the echoes of courage and sacrifice remain with us. In this sacred space, we honor the resilience of those who came before us, carrying their legacy forward into the future.